I came here to talk about today is my movie. Yes, my movie is my hustle. I'm not ashamed to call me and beg. Please call me Beggy. That's my second name. I agree. I know how to beg.
My country people, where are Sonia Uche's squad? Where are Sonia Uche's army? Make una march forward. Our queen don't drop a new movie titled Groom Price. Guys, the movie is just 308k views. This is unlike Sonia Uche's squad now. Guys, we need to rush to YouTube channel. Let's tell others how it's done. Sonia Uche's TV. The title of the new movie is Groom Price. Let's take it to 1 million views today, guys. I know we all can do this. And Sonia Uche then come out, they beg us, say make we go watch the movie. I beg, make we rush now. Make we go watch the movie.
Deal. Not tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Imagine 358 persons going to start watching that movie now. Just imagine what will happen. So guys, please and please and please, if you know you love me, yeah, somebody say that I look beautiful, thank you, but please, because my skin is shining. Thank you, it's the Lord's doing. Thank you so much, guys. So please, okay, I love the reviews. Vigo Nation, welcome. Welcome. Thank you so much, Vigo Nation. Thank you. Yes, so guys, see, do you know how many persons we'll have on this live? We'll have yes, please. And another thing, as you're watching, make sure you're sharing. You can share it on your WhatsApp status. You can send to people, you know. Just share and watch. Just make sure when you're watching, watch from start to finish. Okay? Alright? Watch the movie. He said, should I give you 1,600 stars or watch the movie? Please just go and watch the movie. If you do collabo, it's fine if you do collabo, but if you have to choose one, just go and watch the film. Yes, it's not easy making movie, you guys. It's not. And when the movie is made, Nancy Ndupeneka. Hi. So see, it's not easy to make a film. So when we're done making this film, the best thing you can do is to watch it. It's okay to watch and criticize it though. Me, I like criticism. Criticize it. I like it. Yes, constructive one. Please. Don't come and tell me, why did you not use this person? Or why did you not use that person? No. Yes, constructive one. I will listen. It's a promise. I will listen. So please, guys, if you haven't seen that film, it's still showing on Sonia Uche TV. And we have like 369 views. 369. So if you haven't seen it, Biko, please make sure Maro is watching. Maro, have you seen our new film? It's showing on Sonia Uche TV. So guys, that's the news I brought today. I'm doing good, doing very, very okay. Doing very okay. Sorry, 1 second, guys.